Hello everyone, welcome back to another trade recap on the live account. So this is my second day of trading live account. Yesterday I took a trade and lost. I lost like $250, something like that. Yesterday's market conditions just weren't that good. I mean, we could all see that. We kind of just jumped up and consolidated. Today was actually a really good day. We actually input an SMT into this morning, and which kind of told me we wanted to go lower, and then I would assume in the PM session we're probably going to build our way back up. Instantly, I figured we'd probably take sell side. So we took Asia lows and London lows, which were right here. Took it on these right here. And right then, I figured we'd probably build it back up, maybe take these highs. So I took a long right here, which I had a fair value gap right here, and a CISD, which protected that from going back down, as we can see the little consolidation right here. And news ended up hitting at 10 o'clock, so I exited straight out at 9:59, right before news hit, which I'm glad I did because this candle teleported down here. So that trade was like probably like $250 right there. And then we ended up dumping back down, and I missed an entry right here, on this right here. We had a big, I failed to see it. I was too worried about looking at longs for some reason. And we kept jumping and going right off the CSD, and we also had a fair value gap right here, which that is my entry. It's like a perfect entry for me. I just failed to see it, so if I actually seen that, I would have probably had an entry right here on something like this and down to here, which would have been a big win for me. But that's okay. We ended up taking a continuation, which came down here, came back up, and created CISD here, changed the state, and then fair value gap as well, so we could hold the resistance there, which we did perfectly. And I took an entry on right here, and I ended up targeting this fair value gap right here, because we are, if we go on a 15-minute here, we took all these lows. I was watching as ES took them as well. We took all these lows here and here, and I kind of, I have this little mark down here. I don't know if we'll go all the way down here. We could, but I had this little marked out right here. I figured we would go all the way down here, but I didn't want to risk us rejecting off this fair value gap right here. So I put my TP right on that fair value gap, and we ended up playing it very nicely and came down there for like a $500 win there. And I'm up $750 on the day, so those are my trades today. I think I had a really good day today. I think yesterday was just really bad price action. I probably shouldn't have traded off, but I think the rest of the week will be pretty good. So stay tuned. Thanks.